Well, we all know winter can be such a mess, right? You know, the kids are tracking in the house with their boots after school, and it's not only the snow and the slush, but the dirt and everything else. So your carpet gets very, very dirty. Michael's got the solution, though. He's going to make your house look as clean as can be, or at least show you how you can. It's almost like the day you moved in. Take a look.
Does this look familiar in your home? If it does, all you have to do is call COIT. And joining us right now is Rick Schaffer from COIT. Rick, thank you so much for joining us once again. That is a very similar picture in a lot of people's homes. When it comes to it, you know, a lot of people wonder, oh, it's this time of the year, that time of the year. When's the best time to clean your carpet?
Well, I'd like to tell you that now is the best time to clean the carpeting, and we're offering a 40% off discount right now. But truly, any time of the year is a good time to call COIT.
Yeah, you always want your home to look its best. Now, what if they don't want to do the whole home? A lot of people might want to wait until there's multiple rooms to get cleaned. It's not necessarily the case with COIT, right?
No, you can actually call us out to just do one room, maybe a set of stairs, or you could have us do the entire house. It really is up to you and what you'd like to do.
And if you do want to do the whole house, now's the perfect time, especially with the 40% off, right?
Absolutely, and really at COIT our motto is that we want to make it good for the customer.
All right, now there's a lot of cleaning companies out there right now, let's just say it like it is. What sets you apart from the others?
Well, a couple of things. I mean, COIT has an exclusive written guarantee, which we generally or typically will go over with you before we start the work. But also, if you go to the COIT's website, www.coit.com, we have some YouTube videos that will actually show you the cleaning process, help you with stain removal, and so on.
So you are actually, as a business, giving us the opportunity to try to clean the home ourselves.
Absolutely. I mean, we want to make things easy for you. Certainly, we want to do the cleaning when it needs a good deep cleaning. But if you spill, a glass of wine on your carpeting and it's Saturday night at 10:30, we want you to be able to have access to being able to get that out.
Or coffee like I did. I tried to clean it myself and I ended up calling a professional. So
Right.
Rick Schaffer from COIT, thank you so much. Take advantage of that 40% off. Just go to COIT.com.